morning, madam.
What's your name?
I'm Edita Isagado, madam.
How old are you?
I'm 34, madam.
Are you single or married?
I'm married, madam.
Where do you live?
Sa Mateo Rizal, madam.
Are you high school college graduate?
I'm first year college, madam.
How many brothers and sisters?
I have one brother and one sister, madam.
Are you the eldest or the youngest?
I'm the youngest.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To save money and to our future, especially for my son.
Do you have experience in other countries domestic helper?
No, madam.
How about here in the Philippines?
Yes, madam.
How many years have you been serving as a helper?
4 years, madam.
How many persons have you been serving the family?
5, madam.
What are the duties and responsibilities as a helper?
Cleaning, cooking, and all the duties and responsibilities of being a domestic helper.
How do you take care of a baby?
Feeding milk, change diaper, and change clothes.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, check the temperature and call the employer.
Do you love kids?
Yes, madam.
Do you think you're patient enough to play with children and read storybooks?
Very much, madam.
Can you do tutorial with them?
Yes, madam.
Do you think you're patient enough to play with children and read storybooks?
Yes, madam.
Can you sing a rhyme song?
Yes, madam.
Can you let us see a sample?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my first lady.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam.
How about Chinese food?
No, madam, but I'm willing to learn.
How about electric appliances? Do you know how to operate?
Yes, madam.
Can you name some?
Vacuum cleaner, rice cooker, and washing machine.
Are you willing to wash car if your employers do so?
Yes, madam.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly person too?
Yes, madam.
Can you sleep at very late at night and wake up early?
Yes, madam.
Can you promise not to use your employer's phone unless it is emergency?
Yes, madam.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, madam. Madam, sir, I hope you choose me as a domestic helper. I'm a very honest and a hardworking person. Thank you, madam, and God bless.